This is the Dremel Multi-Max.
Now, it says Dremel, but it doesn't look like a Dremel rotary tool. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Well, which is it?
Well, both, actually. You're right that it's Dremel branded, but you're wrong about it being a rotary tool.
So what is it?
Well, maybe the question is, what isn't it? The Dremel Multi-Max is an incredibly versatile tool built for a variety of projects that involve repair, remodeling, and restoration.
Well, that sounds like a promise the Dremel brand can deliver on. So if it isn't a rotary tool, then how does it work?
The Dremel Multi-Max uses oscillating technology to help you get jobs done.
Oh!
Through 3 degrees of rapid side-to-side motion, or oscillation, and a variety of accessories, you can accomplish an amazing amount of tasks. With the Multi-Max, you get a detail sander, power scraper, plunge saw, multi-purpose cutting tool, grout remover, rust remover, and a mini grinder. And even though it delivers plenty of power, it's still every bit as lightweight and versatile as you've come to expect from the Dremel brand. Here.
Wow, that is light. I can't wait to try it out.
If you'd like to see the Dremel Multi-Max in action and learn more about how it can help you get some projects done around the house quickly and easily, go back to the main menu on this DVD and click on Multi-Max Projects.
And as always, don't forget, if you've ever got a question, a Dremel expert is never more than a phone call away at 1-800-4-DREMEL. That's 1-800-437-3635. With a continually expanding line of accessories, the Dremel Multi-Max can be used to accomplish lots of tasks you once would have needed a variety of other tools to accomplish.
With the right accessories, you can use the Multi-Max as a detail sander, power scraper, plunge saw, multi-purpose cutting tool, grout remover, rust remover, and a mini grinder.
Like Dremel rotary tool accessories, Dremel Multi-Max oscillating tool accessories can be broken into categories according to their function. We'll walk you through these categories using the Multi-Max accessory poster as a guide for our discussion. You can get a copy of this poster through the printable files on this disc when played on your computer, from the Dremel website, or by calling and asking the Dremel experts.
All of the Multi-Max accessories are grouped on this poster according to their color-coded categories. Red means the accessory is meant for cutting, blue for scraping, purple for sanding, green for grinding, and black for grout removal.
Let's start with the red cutting category. Within this category, we offer both flat and flush cutting blades. You'll notice that flush cutting blades have a step, allowing you to cut flush against a work surface.
The 3/4 inch and 3/8 inch wood flush cutting blades are perfect for making very precise cuts while installing flooring or wall materials. Both of these blades work well on wood, plastic, and drywall. When cutting, start at medium speed. This will give you better control, and it'll extend the life of your tool. Once an initial cut is made, increase your speed for a faster cut.
The wood and metal flush cut blade works just like a wood cutting blade, but this 3/4 inch blade can also be used to cut soft metals, like copper piping flush against a wall. Keep in mind that this blade can't cut tougher metals or any ferrous metal, and if you're cutting small finish nails, it will decrease the life of the blade.
Rounding out the category, the 3-inch flat round saw blade is designed for making precise cuts in wood, plaster, and drywall. This blade is great for projects like cutting an opening for floor venting or electrical boxes, or if you need to remove window glaze to restore a window. It works best in softer woods like pine. Excessive use in hardwood will shorten the life of this blade.
When cutting, remember that if you feel a lot of vibration, it's usually a sign that too much pressure is being applied. Back the tool out of your workpiece and then let the speed do the work.
Let's move into scraping blades found in the blue section of your accessory chart. The Dremel brand offers 2 different scraping blades, rigid and flexible. The rigid scraper is best for larger areas of material removal, such as vinyl flooring, carpeting, and tile adhesives.
If the adhesive you're scraping through is tacky, grease the scraper blade's surface with petroleum jelly or silicone grease to reduce the gumming up of the blade. Keep in mind that carpeting and vinyl flooring will remove more easily if scored before scraping.
The flexible scraper blade is used to get into hard-to-reach areas and to remove softer, more flexible material like caulk. Mount this scraper with the Dremel logo facing the top of the tool, being careful that during the scraping process the screw head doesn't contact the surface of your workpiece. Try holding the tool at a 30 to 45 degree pitch to make sure this doesn't happen.
Just to be safe, we suggest trying the scraper on a piece of scrap before getting into big projects so you become comfortable with the action. Some light pressure is required, but excessive pressure may gouge or damage the area beneath the material being removed.
All right, on to sanding, found in purple on your accessory poster. The Multimax provides 2 sanding options. Dark sanding sheets available in 3 grits for sanding wood and metal, and white sanding sheets available in 3 grits for sanding finished surfaces that could be painted, varnished, or filled.
Dremel also offers very coarse grit diamond paper found under the green heading of your accessory poster. This accessory is great for the removal of cement, plaster, or thin set.
Both the sanding paper and the diamond paper sheets mount to the sanding hook and loop backing pad. We recommend rotating the pad on the tool from time to time for even wear.
Light pressure should be enough to get your sanding projects done. If you have to use excessive pressure, it's probably a sign that you need a more coarse grit or your paper is worn.
To extend the life of your sanding backing pad and the sanding sheet or diamond paper, start with mid-range speeds and adjust up or down to match your material removal requirements.
Finally, our grout removal blades found under the black headings on your accessory poster. These blades do exactly what their name implies. They remove cracked or damaged grout. The difference between the 2 blades is only in their kerf or thickness. We have blades that are 1/16 of an inch thick and 1/8 of an inch thick.
To choose the grout blade that's right for you, just measure the grout seam you want to remove and pick a blade that is thinner than the width of your seam. This will ensure you don't damage your tile.
When you're removing grout, use a medium to high speed. The blades can handle both sanded and unsanded grout. If the blade seems to be clogging, use a brass brush to clean the carbide, exposing the grit again.
Well, that's all the accessories we can show you for now, but remember, the Dremel brand is continually developing new accessories for all of its tools, including the Multimax.
For up-to-date news on the latest Dremel branded tools and accessories, check out Dremel.com.
And if you have questions, remember, the Dremel experts are never more than a phone call away.